Hello students. Now in the retirement of partnership, sum up to 8, sum number 8 we have done. Now today we do sum number 9. First of all we read the whole sum, that is Madhav, Gopi and Radha are partner sharing PNL in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/5. Balance sheet of the firm as on 31st 3/16 was as under. Now see, this is the old ratio, this is 1/2, 1/3 and this is 1/6, right? Now make the denominator equal, right? So that old ratio becomes 3:2:1. This is no, now you know this, how to solve this 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6, how to make denominator equal and making new old ratio. Now see, a old balance sheet is given. Now we read that adjustment. In that first one is Radha retired from the firm as on 1/4/16. Partners decided that in that first, value of patent is to be reduced by 20%, whereas value of building is to be reduced to 90%. So tick mark on patent and tick mark on building. Then after, liability of workman compensation reserve is decided at 30,000. So this is workman compensation reserve. Then after, BDR on debtors is to be increased by 5%, tick mark on debtors. Then after, 40,000 is to be paid to Radha as her share in goodwill. So Radha's share of goodwill, that is 40,000, is directly given. We need not to find out the amount of goodwill of Radha. Here 40,000 is given, so we make entry for this 40,000. 500 received from bad debt return of earlier ₹3,000. So no tick mark for this, we give pass direct entry. Then after, 5,000 is to be paid to Radha in cash. Now Radha is retiring from the firm. We have to pay her balance carried down in the capital account in the form of loan. But here it is said that 5,000 we pay in the form of cash. So उसका जो भी बैलेंस निकलेगा उसमें से हम उसको 5,000 देंगे, बाकी का हम उसको लोन देंगे. अमाउंट इन 2 equal installments with 10% interest per annum, right? Okay. So now first of all we read the sum. First of all we have read the sum. Then after, now we solve the sum. First of all, prepare specimen of revaluation account, partners capital account, cash or bank account and new balance sheet of the firm. Now see here, working for the gaining ratio and working for the goodwill. See here, new old ratio that I have found out, that is 3:2:1. जो 1/2, 1/3, 1/6 दिया था उसका. Now I'll show you how to calculate this. First of all, 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 is given. Now here higher value, that is 6. So to make the denominator equal, we multiply 2 with the 3 so that we can get 6, right? So 2 3s are 6. We multiply here with the 2, so 3 2s are 6. We multiply here 1, so 6 1s are 6. Similarly, this we multiply in the numerator, so 3, it becomes 3/6. This 2 we multiply in the numerator, so it becomes 2/6, and here it becomes 1/6. Now denominator equal, so our old ratio becomes 3:2:1, right? Now see, there new ratio is not given. We have read all the adjustments, so new ratio is not given. So your old ratio is equals to gaining ratio, and that is also our new ratio. Radha is retiring from the firm. So now Madhav and Gopi, that 2 partners are left. So new ratio becomes 3:1. That is also our gaining ratio, 3:1. So now value of the goodwill, that is 40,000, is already given. Now we distribute this 40,000 into 3:1 in between Madhav and Gopi. So Madhav's 40,000 multiplied by 3/1 comes 30,000. Gopi's 40,000 multiplied by 1/4 comes 10,000. Right? This is 40,000 multiplied by 3/4. How come 4 comes? That 3 plus 1 comes 4. Now we know how to take this ratio. So 30,000 and 10,000 comes. So now we write down entry. Madhav and Gopi becomes receiver. So Madhav's capital account debit 30,000. Gopi's capital account debit 10,000. Radha becomes giver, so credit the giver to Radha's capital account 40,000. Right? Okay. Now our first step is to write down capital account balances and to write down this cash account balance. See, balance of capital account by balance brought down on credit side of balance sheet. Madhav's, Radha's and Gopi's, and the opening balance of cash or bank account that comes on debit side to balance brought down 12,000. Now the next entry that we pass entry for the goodwill. Now see, this is the entry for the goodwill. We post these into the capital account. So see, on debit side, reverse name. What is the reverse name? That is the Radha's capital account. और फिर माधव के कॉलम में 30,000, गोपीज कॉलम 10,000, and similarly for we pass for the debit side. So see here, Radha's capital account, Madhav's column 30,000, Gopi's column that is 10,000. Similarly on reverse side, Radha's capital, reverse name by Madhav's capital account, देख है goodwill, Radha column 30,000. By Gopi's capital account, goodwill, Radha's column 10,000. So always go step by step. That first step is to record balance of capital account, the balance of cash or bank account. Then after pass journal entry for the goodwill. Now we transfer all the asset balance sheet into the asset balances into the new balance sheet. First of all, cash and bank, that is recorded. Then after we write down debtors. So see, write down debtors 80,000, leave one line and draw the line because there is one tick mark on that. Then after write down stock, there is no tick mark on the stock. So stock as it is, outer side 62,000. Then after investment, with this one bracket is given. So write down investment, inner side 58,000, leave one line and draw the line. Then after patent, see patent 35,000, inner side leave one line and draw the line because one adjustment is there. Then after building inner side leave one line and draw the line. Advertisement campaign expenditure, this is the accumulated reserve or profit, right? So this we distribute in between all partners in their old ratio. Now this is given on debit side, so we distribute this on partners capital account debit side. See, partners capital account debit side 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. Now distribution, you know how to distribute in between partners. So asset side is over. Now the liability side, this is capital account, this comes from the capital account, but ye creditors CRS, this is creditors as it is 50,000 because no tick mark on that. Then workman compensation reserve, right? इसका एक additional adjustment भी है. So this we solve afterwards. Then employee provident fund, this is liability, this is not accumulated reserve or profit, this is liability of the firm. So write down employee PF as it is 15,000, no change in that. Then investment fluctuation fund. Now investment fluctuation fund, this is accumulated reserve or profit. So this is to be distributed in between all partners in their old ratio. See, investment fluctuation fund, all partners in their old ratio, right? So old balance sheet, that whole we have transferred into the new balance sheet. Now we solve one by one these adjustments. In that first one is value of patent is to be reduced by 20%, whereas value of building is to be reduced to 90%. Now see, patent बोला क्या है, 20% reduction. So decrease or reduction 20%, 35,000, 20% comes 7,000. So outer side comes 28,000. Second effect we pass on the revaluation debit side. Why? Because if there is any decrease in the value of asset, that we record on revaluation debit side. Then after second one, that is building is to be reduced up to 90%. Building is to be reduced to 90%. That means building that is 75,000 is given. 75,000's 90% comes outer side. This is the 90% value, right? So remaining, that is the decrease in the value of assets. So this is 10%. We can say that there is a decrease of 10%, right? So building also recorded on debit side, revaluation debit side. Now our next adjustment, that is liability of workmen compensation reserve, is decided at 30,000. Now see here, workmen compensation reserve 24,000 is given. We have to pay 30,000 rupees. ये जो वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन है हमें देना है 30,000. Already we have 24,000. So there is a gap or difference of 6,000. We have this liability of workmen compensation reserve, that is 30,000. Then after, here in the liability workmen compensation reserve 24,000 is given. So 30 minus 24 comes 6,000. So we require still more 6,000. So that 6,000, that is our expense or loss. So that is revaluation debit side. And that liability we have to pay, workmen compensation liability we have to pay. So that we record on liability side, liability of workmen compensation fund 30,000. Now the next, BDR on debtors is to be increased by 5%. Increased by 5%, that means first of all here 80,000 is given. 80,000's 5% comes 4,000. Here 5,000 that is given. So 4 plus 5 becomes 9,000. 4 plus 5 becomes 9,000. So this is the 9,000. So 80,000 minus 9,000 comes 71,000 outer side. Second effect we pass on revaluation debit side BDR account 4,000. Why? Because our adjustment amount is only 4,000, not the whole 9,000. In the 9,000, 5,000 is already given. We have just added only 4,000. So we pass second effect of the 4,000 only. Then after 40,000 is to be paid to Radha as per her. This is the point of goodwill. This is solved. Next, 500 received from barter return of earlier rupees 3,000. Barter return. So that is our income. So revaluation credit side barter return account 500. Second effect goes into the cash account because we received 500 in the form of cash. So to barter return account 500. Entry is cash account debit to BDR account credit, barter return account credit. एंट्री इसकी इस तरह से पड़ेगी, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू barter रिटर्न अकाउंट क्रेडिट. सो सेकंड इफेक्ट इन द कैश अकाउंट. Now the next, that is 5,000 is to be paid to Radha in cash and balance amount in 2 equal installment with 10% interest per annum. Now see, we have to pay 5,000 cash to Radha. First of all we pass entry that Radha's capital account debit to cash. जर्नल एंट्री अभी आपको आनी ही चाहिए. जर्नल एंट्री किस तरह से पड़ेगी? सो राधास कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. सो वी जस्ट पोस्ट दिस Radha's capital account debit to cash. So here reverse name to cash account in the column of Radha 5,000, and here cash account, here reverse name by Radha's capital account 5,000. Right now the उसमें बोला क्या है कि the remaining amount we pay in 2 equal installment, but we pay whole remaining amount. Right, first of all we pass entry for the whole remaining amount. So for that first of all we do totaling करें रिवैल्यूएशन का. वी गेट हियर फॉर्म ऑन लॉस इज टू बी लॉस is of rupees 18,000, that is to be distributed in between all partners 3-1. The revaluation loss is to be recorded in partners capital account debit side. See the revaluation loss. Now make the totaling. राधा का फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टोटल कर ले. टोटल ऑफ राधा that comes 94,000, and here balance comes 75,000, sorry. So this 75,000 we pay her in the form of loan. So see, Radha's loan account 75,000. Retiring partner का जो भी balance रहेगा, balance carried down, that we record as Radha's loan account 75,000. Right? Now the remaining partners balance carried down, that write down as balance carried down 91,000 and 39,000. Now first of all, remaining partners capital write down here as capital account Madhav and Gopi. Then Radha's loan account 75,000. जो उसका balance आ रहा है 75,000, that we record on liability side. Why? Because we have to pay her. So that is the firm's liability. So we have to show that in the form of liability. So Radha's loan 75,000. Right? Okay. ये equal installment, right? वो उसका बाद में इसका एंट्री पड़ेगी. बाद में मीन्स कि उसको जब भी चाहिए तभी उसको हम 2 equal installment with 10% interest that we pay. But right now we have to show only this. Why? Because this is the balance sheet. So now make the totaling of balance sheet, that comes 3,000. So this is how we can solve sum number 9. Again this is an easy sum, but there is one only confusing point. This 6th point is given, that 2 equal installment with 10% interest. तो उसको जब भी पैसे चाहिए तो उसको 2 इंस्टॉलमेंट और वो एंट्री कर देंगे, राइट? वो बाद में जब भी वो उसको चाहिए तभी एंट्री करेंगे. बट राइट नाउ हम उसको फुल 75,000 देना है, दैट वी शो ओवर हियर. Right? Okay, so that's all for today. Revise this sum again, right? Practice this sum, do it yourself, and try to remember that how to solve these adjustments, right? Okay, so see you tomorrow.